Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to switch between multiple Instagram accounts in just a few easy steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're logged in, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the three horizontal lines, hamburger menu, at the top right corner of your profile page. Scroll down, and you'll see an option called Add Account. Tap on it. You can see two options: log in to an existing account or create a new account. Click one of them. Here, you can log in to another Instagram account by entering your username and password. You can add as many accounts as you want. Once you've added multiple accounts, switching between them is super easy. Just go back to your profile and tap your username at the top of the screen. This will show a list of all your accounts. Now, simply tap on the account you want to switch to, and voila, you're on the new account. You can also quickly switch accounts by tapping and holding the profile icon in the bottom right corner. You'll get an option to switch between your accounts without even opening the menu. And that's it. How to switch between multiple Instagram accounts. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.